Number 5. Enthusiast Men's Pro Diver Collection Chronograph Watch. The Enthusiast Men's Pro Diver Collection Chronograph Watch is a popular timepiece that combines style, functionality, and durability. Here are some of its key features. The watch is powered by a reliable quartz movement, which provides accurate timekeeping. It has a 48 mm stainless steel case that is water-resistant up to 200 meters or 660 feet. This makes it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. The watch features a unidirectional bezel with minute markers, which can be used to measure elapsed time during diving or other activities. It has a black dial with 3 subdials that display the 60-second, 60-minute, and 1/10 second intervals for the chronograph function. The hands and markers are luminous, making it easy to read the time in low-light conditions. The watch has a date function at the 4 o'clock position, which adds convenience. The band is made of stainless steel and has a fold-over clasp with a safety closure, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. Overall, the Enthusiast Men's Pro Diver Collection Chronograph Watch is a great choice for those looking for a reliable, stylish, and functional watch that can handle a range of activities. Number 4. The Fossil Women's Gen 6 40.1 touchscreen smartwatch is a versatile device designed to help you stay connected and track your fitness and sleep activities. It comes with a range of features including Alexa built-in, a fitness tracker, and a sleep tracker. With Alexa built-in, you can use voice commands to control your smart home devices, set reminders, check the weather, and much more. The watch also has a built-in microphone and speaker that allows you to make and receive calls directly from your wrist. The fitness tracker on the watch is designed to help you monitor your activity levels throughout the day. It tracks your steps, calories burned, and distance traveled, and provides you with real-time feedback on your progress towards your fitness goals. The sleep tracker on the Fossil Women's Gen 6 40.1 touchscreen smartwatch is designed to help you understand your sleep patterns better. It tracks your sleep duration, quality, and provides you with insights into your sleep stages, including light, deep, and REM sleep. This information can help you make better decisions about your sleep habits and improve the quality of your sleep. Overall, the Fossil Women's Gen 6 40.1 touchscreen smartwatch is an excellent device for women who want to stay connected and track their fitness and sleep activities. Its sleek design, range of features, and compatibility with both Android and iOS devices make it a great choice for anyone looking for a smartwatch that can help them stay on top of their busy lives. Number 3. Timex Expedition Watch. Timex Men's Expedition Tide Tempo Compass. The Timex Men's Expedition Tide Tempo Compass is a wristwatch designed for outdoor enthusiasts. As the name suggests, it features a tide tracker, temperature sensor, and compass, making it a useful tool for activities like fishing, hiking, and camping. The tide tracker allows you to monitor the ocean tides at your location, so you can plan your activities accordingly. The temperature sensor lets you know the current temperature, which can be helpful in deciding what to wear or how to prepare for your outdoor adventure. The compass helps you navigate your way in the great outdoors. The watch has a durable resin case and strap, and is water-resistant up to 100 meters, so it can withstand most outdoor conditions. The display is easy to read even in low-light conditions, and the watch is powered by a reliable quartz movement. Overall, the Timex Men's Expedition Tide Tempo Compass is a practical and functional watch that can be a valuable tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 4. Fitbit Inspire 3 Features. Fitbit Inspire 3 Health Fitness Tracker with Stress Management, Workout Intensity. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is a health and fitness tracker that offers a range of features to help you stay on top of your fitness goals and manage your stress levels. Here are some of the key features of the Fitbit Inspire 3. Health Tracking. The Inspire 3 tracks a range of health metrics, including heart rate, sleep quality, and calories burned. It can also track your menstrual cycle if you are a woman. Fitness Tracking. The Inspire 3 offers a range of fitness tracking features, including tracking your steps, distance traveled, and active minutes. It also has 20 exercise modes to choose from, including running, swimming. Stress Management. The Inspire 3 is a stress management feature that uses heart rate variability to measure your stress levels. It also provides guided breathing sessions to help you relax and manage stress. Workout Intensity. The Inspire 3 offers a feature called Active Zone Minutes that measures the intensity of your workouts and provides real-time feedback to help you reach your fitness goals. Smartphone Notifications. The Inspire 3 can receive notifications from your smartphone, including calls, texts, and app notifications. Battery life. The Inspire 3 has a battery life of up to 10 days, so you can wear it for an extended period without needing to recharge it. Overall, the Fitbit Inspire 3 is a great health and fitness tracker that offers a range of features to help you stay on top of your fitness goals and manage your stress levels. Whether you're you are a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey, the Inspire 3 can help you stay motivated and track your progress. Number 5. Polar Pacer GPS Watch. Polar Pacer, a GPS running watch, a high-speed processor, ultra-light, a bright display, grip buttons. The Polar Pacer is a GPS running watch that is designed for runners who want to track their performance and improve their training. The watch is equipped with a high-speed processor that allows it to quickly and accurately track your location, speed, and distance. It is also ultralight, making it comfortable to wear during long runs. The bright display is easy to read even in bright sunlight, and the grip buttons make it easy to navigate through the watch's features while on the go. The watch is also water-resistant, so you can wear it in the rain or while sweating during intense workouts. With the Polar Pacer, you can set goals for your runs and track your progress over time. The watch also includes a heart rate monitor, so you can ensure that you are training at the right intensity to achieve your fitness goals. Overall, the Polar Pacer is an excellent choice for runners who want a reliable and accurate GPS watch to help them improve their performance.